What's up, Peak Army? Back with another video. Today we're playing Macemayhem, but we didn't fully restart, but like as we still have our money. But we're only allowed to use this kit, and I'm here with a new guest. Please say your name. You can talk, bro. You can talk. You're muted. You're muted.
My name is Henry.
Yeah. So yeah, this is who we are. You guys know me, but not him. I just kind of randomly found him. These are our trims for the video. And yeah. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, join my group chat. The password's gonna be 9988.
What do I just do?
9988 is the password, okay? You better join, bro. Why did you not join it?
Yo, how did I do it?
You just press V, go group, and then join the group.
And then it's wait. Group, and then producer.
And then go group, create group, and then put the group name as IDK, and then put the password as 9988. Okay?
9988.
Yeah. Nine, 9988. Okay, we're ready.
Yay! First of all, you gotta tell them about what I found.
Okay,
On the
what did you
base.
do?
I have a base for the.
So,
you
you want to go raid the base real quick?
Yeah, you see the base potion?
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Oh shit.
My God. I didn't know the skeleton can be that big.
Okay.
Okay, TP to it.
I just wanted it. Just did one
Guys,
day
and if you
time.
want to join the server, all the IP stuff will be in the description.
Oh, me. I can trade.
I'm gonna check how many spawners I got.
I will trade for any single diamond. What do you want? What
Wait,
do you
1 second, I just gotta go.
What do you Tell me what you want.
In the first one, it got 105 skellies. Not bad. How many of those so?
Here, TP me into the base.
Moving on.
Oh, I got them. Okay. Okay, TP me.
No, sorry.
Wait, did you TP me?
Yeah. Hey guys, if you want to join the server again, all the stuff will be in the description.
Muffin.
And the server's
Muffin.
really fun.
Okay, now I got
This is rated.
200 skellies.
This is rated.
Yeah, I rated it. I rated it just now. Wait, 1 second.
What's this? Oh,
Did you just fall in wood?
maybe.
Okay,
Okay, guys. Now, if we die, this is what we do. Just to show. So we just get our stuff back. Just so you guys know, that's how we get our stuff back. So accept my TP.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Yo, accept my TP, bro.
I'm accepting it too.
Sorry.
I think it's down. No, that's not down there. It's over here. Yeah, here. You go down here. Anything in this thing? There's.
Okay, so do you think we should go to spawn and try killing some people?
Yeah, we can do that. Or we can. I don't know if this bait is crazy. I got it. Wait, this one. Like this.
Oh, guys, open the second door.
Okay.
There's scrap.
Guys, open
You
the
can see
second
that.
door.
Give money.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do.
Here. Oh.
No.
Here, let's go to spawn and check killing people.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff. Yeah, back there, I'm gonna see some stuff.
Slash. I guess I'm done. Okay.
Okay, Goldie, that's annoying.
That's the skeleton. It looks so. Look at his teeth. Look at his.
Okay, guys. So now we're at spawn. This is where all the chaos happens. And
What the?
where we are about to kill.
Wow, that just come.
Yeah, we're hold on.
So first of all, it's gonna be hard to kill a netherite kid.
Just do like did like this.
Yeah,
I
that
just
might
said
be the hardest
there,
part.
and then it was like this.
So I did just.
Come up with this, ladies.
Okay. Bob
Yeah,
Adam.
sure. Dude,
Yeah,
I
one
don't
second.
come over here.
I guess I'll give away some mace.
Dun 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 dun.
What did you get? Open the back.
Damn it.
Open the back.
Okay, got away.
Guys, second door. Guys, open the second door. Open the second door.
I have a fire. Strength 2 and fire resistance. You are where?
Open the second door.
Where are you, bro?
You tried to glitch. Guys, please open the door.
Yo, bro, where are you? Yo, bro. Oh.
Yo, I'm at spawn.
Oh yeah, it's not us.
Nice, so bad.
No, that's not you.
Guys, can you get me and get me home?
Wait, no, I don't see you.
No.
Oh, there's not getting.
No, it's not open.
Okay.
Bro, I don't see you.
Can you get me home?
You're
Okay.
not as strong. Did you?
So why are you?
I don't see you. Where
I'm at
are
spawn.
you?
Fighting.
Where is spawn?
Fighting in this fight area.
Oh, you see my kill.
How you fighting?
I'm getting away, bro. We were never teammates. I was just targeting the other person. Oh damn it, this guy has
We don't open
skill.
the back door, bro. We want to help you guys, but you don't open the
I
door.
don't know if I'm able to work there. Is this you? No.
I actually don't know how many
I'll find you.
Jackson?
Yes.
Damn it.
Jamal Jackson?
Guys, can you
Oh, yeah, the mace cereal or cereal? Where are you?
Jackson? Kill Jamal Jackson.
Oh, is this you? No,
If stop it, Jamal Jackson.
no, that's not you. Yeah, I'll find you.
Okay,
The second phase of the part is the mace area. The mace area is where you unlock macing and sorting. So now we can
Not
mace
giving me.
with
What the heck
no
was that? Was that? That's a sweet guy.
exam,
That looks like
no
a
tutorial, Just pure skill.
That must look like this.
But I'm saying
I
that.
don't know where it is.
I could kill
Okay,
you.
where are you? You're at the Mace area?
Flying down.
I was.
Oh, I don't
Did
need
you die? Oh no, there you are.
there. Because I'm not going down there.
I'm running out of stuff though.
Oh, you are okay. Hey, yo, bro, come on.
You're doing.
I popped him.
Nice. He's on bedrock though.
Oh. You guys don't. I don't.
Okay, so they should be decent.
I
Which one is you, bro? Oh, that's you, bro.
That's fine.
Easy.
Can you trade me your saddle?
Yeah, I knew this guy, bro. Bro,
They're
it's
the
for
lighter.
farming. You know, like you many people for farming.
Oh damn it!
No,
I'm
that's-
drained.
This guy's for farming like crazy. Damn.
You guys.
Bro, why do you guys for farming so hard?
Ladies. Ollie, fuck off, bro.
Like, bro, this is not about you.
Your buttons. Wait, can I place this here? Yo, wait. Diamond guy, do you want?
Damn, bro.
I'm making a YT vid, bro. I don't mean to. I'm making a YT vid. I'm starting from nothing on Macemayhem. Damn it, you got me. Okay.
Come on, bro, we got him, bro. Come on, get this guy. Oh, bro, oh, jeez. I'm innocent, bro. I'll let you get everything out. Yeah, bro, not stuck with this guy.
Damn it, I'm
Come on,
cooked.
leave him.
I'm dead.
Yes, pull is right down there, and then I like it. I'm so good. But he hasn't taken it. I don't know why.
No way, I just lost my pack.
Yo, bro, you don't need to kill me like that, bro. Yo, so fight somebody else at your level. Like, damn, what did I do?
What the fudge? Did I just glitch?
What did I do to you,
I'm
bro?
cooked.
No help.
What the fuck? Okay. Steven!
I died, bro. Yeah, bro, I died.
I have no more totems.
Damn, bro.
Look in chat comes in.
Okay, I just need to talk to you.
You really lost all our stuff, bro.
Yeah?
Papa!
Bro.
You want to trade for something?
Yeah.
I don't want to do them.
Fucking froze again.
No.
Oh my god, bro. I just died.
Yes, bro.
Wait, Z, can I get one throw?
Someone
That's not orb.
Op med.
Should we just sell our skellies? Should we sell our skellies?
No.
Yo,
Hey, buddy.
you're selling our skellies.
you want me to help you?
100 skellies.
Okay, then open the door.
Selling skellies. I'm selling 100 skellies.
Peak Army, hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. And click the video on screen if you want another banger. And out.